Can dry carpet cleaning remove dust mite? Updated. Today we're going to address a common concern: dust mites in carpets. Dust mites are tiny creatures that can trigger allergies and cause discomfort. In this video, we'll discuss dry carpet cleaning and whether it can effectively remove dust mites from your carpets. 1. Understanding dust mites. Dust mites are microscopic pests that thrive in warm and humid environments, such as carpets. They feed on dead skin cells and can trigger allergic reactions in some individuals. Removing them from your carpets is crucial for maintaining a healthy living space. 2. How dry carpet cleaning works. Dry carpet cleaning is a popular method that uses specialized cleaning compounds or powders. These products are applied to the carpet and agitated to loosen dirt, dust, and allergens. The compounds are then vacuumed, taking away the contaminants with them. 3. Effectiveness against dust mites. Dry carpet cleaning can effectively remove dust mites from carpets. The cleaning compounds used in the process can penetrate deep into the carpet fibers, dislodging dust mites and their waste particles. When the compounds are vacuumed, they take away a significant portion of the dust mite population. 4. Additional steps for dust mite control. While dry carpet cleaning can help reduce dust mite populations, it's essential to complement it with other preventive measures. Regular vacuuming, maintaining optimal humidity levels, and washing bedding in hot water are important steps to keep dust mites in check. 5. Professional dry carpet cleaning. For optimal results and thorough dust mite removal, consider hiring professional carpet cleaning services. They have the expertise, specialized equipment, and industry-grade products to effectively eliminate dust mites and improve indoor air quality. Conclusion. So, can dry carpet cleaning remove dust mites? The answer is yes. It can significantly reduce the dust mite population in your carpets. However, it's important to combine it with other preventive measures for long-term control. Consider professional dry carpet cleaning for the best results.